In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect your domain to Google Site. Before you start, make sure your Google Site is open in editing mode and that you have access to your domain registrar account, because you will need to add DNS records to verify ownership. Also remember that DNS changes can take some time to update, so if it does not work immediately, that is normal. To begin, go to the top right corner of the Google Sites editor and select the Settings option, which looks like a small gear icon. This is where Google Sites keeps the site-wide options, including domain connections. Inside Settings, find the section called Custom Domains. Select it, and then choose the option to connect a domain. Google will now guide you through the connection process, step by step, so follow the prompts closely. Next, you will be asked where your domain is managed. If your domain is available through a supported service, such as a Google-managed domain or your organization's Workspace domain, choose the appropriate option. This helps Google provide the correct verification instructions. Now enter your domain name exactly as you want it to appear, such as yourdomain.com, and then select Next. Take a moment to double-check spelling, because even a small typo can prevent the connection from completing. After that, Google Sites will present DNS instructions. This usually includes adding one or more records, commonly CNAME or TXT records, to your domain. Leave the Google Sites tab open, then open a new tab and sign in to your domain registrar, which is the website where you purchased or manage your domain. Go to the DNS settings area, sometimes called DNS management or zone editor, and add the records exactly as shown, matching the host name, record type, and value. When you are finished, save your changes with your registrar and return to Google Sites. Continue through the prompts until you see confirmation that the setup is done. If verification takes longer, wait a bit and try again, since DNS updates can take minutes or sometimes longer. Once it is confirmed, select Done, and then publish your site. Publishing is important because your domain needs the latest live version of your site to display correctly. And that is all there is to it.